Hello everyone and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I am Zach.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I am Zoe. I was just thinking about our topic today, at the bank, episode 30 today.
Yes, episode 30. Wow. Thank you for joining us. Today we talk about going to the bank. We will use simple words, we will tell stories, we will learn new words, and we will practice useful sentences.
Good. I feel a little nervous every time I go to the bank. Do you feel the same, Zach?
Yes, I do, but now I feel better. Talking helps, and practice helps. So let us start slowly. First, what is a bank?
A bank is a place where people keep money. A bank also helps people pay bills, save money, and get loans. You can open an account. You can use a debit card or credit card. You can use an ATM too.
Right. Two common accounts are checking and savings. Checking is for everyday use. Savings is for saving money for the future. Banks often pay a little interest on savings. Interest is a small extra amount the bank gives you for keeping money there.
Let us imagine a simple scene. You walk into a bank, the door is open, there's a receptionist and a waiting area. There are signs for teller and for account services. You walk to the counter, you see a friendly teller. This is a common scene.
Okay, practice with me. I will be the customer, you be the teller.
Great.
Hello, I would like to withdraw some money, please.
Hello, may I see your ID and debit card, please?
Yes, here they are. My name is Zach Carter. I want $200.
All right. Please enter your PIN on the keypad and sign the slip.
Thank you. Done.
Good. Here is your cash and your receipt. Would you like anything else today?
No, thank you. That is all. Have a nice day.
See? Short and simple. Small talk, but polite. Always say thank you.
Now some other useful phrases. I want to deposit money. I have a check. Can you help me deposit this check?
Yes, please fill out a deposit slip with your account number. Then give it to the teller with the check. The teller will give you a receipt. Keep the receipt. It is proof of your deposit.
Also, you can use an ATM. ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine. You can withdraw cash, check your balance, and sometimes deposit cash or checks. Remember your PIN. Never share your PIN with anyone.
A story time. I remember my first job. I was 18. I had my first paycheck. I went to the bank to deposit it. I felt proud, a little scared too. The teller smiled. She helped me. I learned how to use online banking that day. After that, I felt more confident.
I like that story. My story is a little different. One time, I lost my debit card. I was so worried. I called the bank right away. They froze my card, then they sent me a new one. I learned to check my bank app every day. Small problem, but I solved it fast.
Important words: freeze, lost card, bank app, online banking, statement. A bank statement is a paper or a digital file that shows all your transactions. Check it every month. It helps you see errors.
Now let us talk about opening an account. You need ID. Sometimes you need proof of address. The bank will ask for your name, date of birth, and sometimes a small deposit to open the account. Banks may offer a welcome offer, like no fees for a few months. Ask the bank employee about fees. Fees mean cost.
Do you want to save money? Ask about savings account interest. Do you need a loan for a car or home? Ask about loan rates. Loan rate is how much extra you pay to the bank when you borrow money. Ask many questions. It's okay to ask more than one time.
Vocabulary practice time. I will say a word, you repeat. Ready? Balance.
Balance.
Deposit.
Deposit.
Withdraw.
Withdraw.
Teller.
Teller.
ATM.
ATM.
PIN.
PIN.
Loan.
Loan.
Interest.
Interest.
Good job. These words are simple but useful. Now some polite phrases you can use at the bank. Could you help me with my account?
I would like to open a savings account.
How do I set up online banking?
Can I speak to a manager?
I think there is an error on my statement.
Practice a longer sentence. Imagine you want to transfer money to a friend. You can say, "Hello, I would like to transfer $50 to my friend. His name is John Smith, and his account number is 123456." Always check account numbers carefully. One number wrong and the money goes to the wrong person.
Yes, double check and keep calm. Banks can fix mistakes sometimes, but it's better to avoid mistakes first.
Now, a small role play about online banking. I will be Zach again. I want to set up online banking for my checking account. Zoe, be the bank helper.
Hello, I want to set up online banking for my checking account. How do I start?
Hello, Zach. You can go to the bank website and click Register. You will need your account number and your social security number or other ID. Then create a username and a strong password. Choose a password you can remember, but others cannot guess. Use letters and numbers.
Okay, what is two-factor authentication? I heard about it.
Two-factor authentication means another step to keep your account safe. The bank may send a code to your phone. You put the code in the website. This helps protect your account.
So many safety tips today. Do not share passwords, use strong passwords, log out of public computers, and watch for suspicious emails asking for your bank details. The bank will never ask for your password by email.
Right. Now let's talk about loans a little bit. Loans help people buy cars or houses. A mortgage is a loan for a house. The bank will ask for income proof. They will look at your credit score. A credit score is a number that tells the bank how good you are at paying back money. Higher score is better.
This can feel scary, but if you save money and pay small debts, your score gets better. Small steps are good.
I want to tell a short story about a loan. My friend Sarah wanted to buy a small car. She saved some money first, then she went to the bank. She asked many questions. She chose a loan she could pay each month. She was careful. Now she's happy with the car and pays the loan on time.
That is a great example. Small, careful steps make big things possible.
Now, a few tips for children or young learners. Many banks have accounts for children. These are called student accounts or kid accounts. They teach kids how to save. Parents often help. Start with small goals, like saving $5 a week. It feels good to watch the savings grow.
We also want to share some useful sentences for practice. I will say a phrase and you repeat slowly. I would like to open an account.
I would like to open an account.
Can I deposit this check?
Can I deposit this check?
What is my account balance?
What is my account balance?
How do I reset my PIN?
How do I reset my PIN?
I lost my card.
I lost my card.
Great. Keep practicing. Say these sentences out loud. The more you speak, the better you get.
Now the part we promised. After we talk about main topic, please subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English, and share this episode with your friends.
Yes, please subscribe and like. Share this with friends who want to learn English. Your small support helps us make more lessons. Thank you.
Before we end, a quick checklist for going to the bank. Bring ID, bring your debit or credit card, know your account number, bring proof of address if opening a new account, write down important numbers, and always keep your receipts.
And one more, be polite and patient. Bank lines can be slow. A smile helps. Being kind makes the day better for everyone. Final quick practice. You are at the teller. You want to ask, "Excuse me, can I speak to someone about a small loan?" Say it slowly.
Excuse me, can I speak to someone about a small loan?
Very nice. Now try, "I want to change my address on my account."
I want to change my address on my account. Let's end with a small reflection. Going to the bank can feel difficult. It can feel new, but banks are there to help. Ask questions, learn new words, and make small steps. Every small step is progress.
Yes, and remember, banks are full of people who want to help. Be calm, be prepared, and speak clearly when you need help.
Thank you for listening to episode 30. We hope this conversation helps you feel more confident at the bank. Practice the words, try the sentences, and tell a friend.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing. We will see you in the next episode. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Take care and have a good day.
Bye. And one last line. Learning English is a small step every day. Keep going.